Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable Judges of the Johor International Innovation Invention Competition and Symposium GCAS 2024, University Technology Malaysia, and all my fellow finalists. Law number 1 of 1974 defines marriage as a union between a man and a woman to form an eternal family based on the belief in a God. The PKKBN states that early marriage caused by social, educational, economic, and cultural factors involves individuals under 18 years old. Law number 23 of 2012 consider any marriage under 18 as an early marriage. Law number 16 of 2019 sets the minimum marriage age for both man and woman at 19. The 2011 UN survey showed Indonesia has the second highest early marriage rate in ASEAN and ranks 37th global. The BKKBN report in 2019 that Indonesian teenagers face issues such as early marriage and premarital sex. According to the Central Statistics Agency or BPS, the early marriage rate increased from 14.18% in 2018 to 15.66% in 2019. If this trend continues, by 2020, 14.2 million young women will marry yearly, or 39,000 daily. In developing countries, women aged around 15 until 19 face high childbirth complication and mortality rates. An estimated 90% are married, with 50,000 deaths among the 16 million women giving birth annually. The mortality rate from newborns of mothers under 20 is 50% higher than for those with mothers over 20, stated by WHO 2012. In developing countries, women aged around 15 until 19 face high childbirth complication and mortality rates. An estimated 90% are married, with 50,000 deaths among the 16 million women giving birth annually. The mortality rate from newborns of mothers under 20 is 50% higher than for those with mothers over 20, stated by WHO 2000. Women under 20 are biologically unprepared for marriage, posing high risk for both mother and baby. Health studies recommend marriage at around 20 till 35 years, the young adult stage. Early marriage under 20 results in physical, psychological, endocrinological, and emotional instability, stated by Julianto Wicaksono 2014. Early marriage causes psychological issues like trauma, low self-confidence, and emotional stress. These individuals are often unprepared to build families and face cognitive disorders such as decision-making difficulties, problem-solving hesitancy, and memory impairment. Other issues include injustice, domestic violence, and divorce, leading to decreased productivity and fewer educational opportunities. Adolescent girls in early marriage, pregnancy, and childbirth are prone to mental disorders like postpartum depression due to hormonal change, fatigue, and stress. Early marriage restricts freedom of expression and personal development. Young wives or heads of household lose their right to age-appropriate expression and thought. They face limited social interaction, which are crucial for personality development. This restriction, coupled with societal pressure, can lead to frustration with social withdrawal. Cipinang, located in Jakarta, East Jakarta, spans 1.15 kilometers square and consists of 14 community units. Mr. Sundari, the village head of Cipinang Besar Utara, noted that the most early marriages are unregistered due to premarital pregnancy, leading to a lack of confirmed data. Departing from this problem, we are the Green Contingent for the Nation-Based Education, led by Brian Louis Sutanto, along with members Sofwanida Yuanita Yusuf, Dian Siti Nur Hasanah, Wisnu Chatur Hidayat, and Andre Ferdiawan, proudly present an overview of the social support for parents of teenagers who marry early in Cipinang.
Method. The method using qualitative method. First, data collection technique. Data collection is crucial in research for obtaining accurate data, Sugiono 2007. The study employed three methods: first, observation; second, interview; and third, documentation. Data analysis technique. Data analysis is the present descriptive involving several stages. First, data collection. Data was collected through observation and interview, then transcribed and simply for verify. The data was then selected and coded for categorization. Second, data reduction. The involves summarizing and identify key terms, the pattern while describing irrelevant information. Third, data presentation. Interpret data is present is the text description, narrative, tables, and graphs for clarify. Four, drawing conclusion. Researchers draw conclusion based on the data analysis result.
Result and discussion. First, Cipinang Village. Cipinang Village, located in Jatinegara Subdistrict, East Jakarta, covers an area of 1.15 km squares and consists of 14 community units. This area is near the borders of North Jakarta and Central Jakarta. Second, spread of early marriage in Cipinang. Early marriage in East Jakarta remains a concern, with approximately around 93,000 teenagers aged 15 until 19. These teenagers are spread across 10 districts. Third, early marriage in Cipinang. The primary data source for this study is the Cipinang community. Researchers interviewed 6 informants with specific characteristics, as shown in the table 1. The data analysis include data reduction and presentation. Fourth, emotional support. 4 of 6 informants received emotional support from their parents, while the other 2 didn't do to their parents, reluctant to intervene. Fifth, award support. 4 of 6 informants were supported by their parents to work, while the other 2 were not allowed by their husbands. Instrumental support. 3 of 6 informants received financial support from the parents.
Conclusion. Marriage ideally is quite a complicated thing. It takes various preparation in it such as psychological, biological, and financial readiness. It is unfortunate that 2 teenagers who should be able to explore the world and find their identity instead have to be preoccupied with various marital conflicts. Indonesia, as a state of law, has made many policies related to the implementation of marriage that are recognized by the state, one of which is the minimum marriage limit of 19 years for both men and women. However, it turns out that there are still many cases of early marriage, which means it is not legally valid, that at least 1 out of 4 girls in Indonesia has been married before the age of 19. Measure emotion in teenagers who marry early often cause them difficulty in overcoming problems. Therefore, we need a support that can make these teenagers stronger in facing various problems. The support is nothing but social support, especially from parents as the first environment for children. Someone who gets social support will generally feel more secure and valued because there are still people who care about him.
Suggestions. Suggestions for teenagers who marry early. Parents are the first environment for a child. Thus, it is hoped that teenagers who marry early can be more open to their parents to help them solve problems. This is because teenagers are not yet emotionally mature, so they need adult help. Suggestions for parents. It is expected that parents will care more about their children who marry early and are willing to listen to their complaints so that the child can feel safe and be helped in solving various problems. We express our gratitude to University Teknologi Mara for organizing the Johor International Innovation Invention Competition and Symposium, providing a platform for innovation for all Indonesian students. We also express our gratitude to Universitas Negeri Jakarta for their full support for our team. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.